Today we will talk about the DermaPrime Plus products review. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy DermaPrime Plus. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing DermaPrime Plus. The first thing you need to know about DermaPrime Plus is, be careful about the website you will buy DermaPrime Plus, because DermaPrime Plus is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is DermaPrime Plus and really works? And the answer is yes, DermaPrime Plus works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will as a supplement that protects and nourishes your skin. DermaPrime Plus contains only plant-based ingredients in its composition to prevent any side effects. These ingredients include milk thistle, chanca piedra, vitamin, chicory root, yarrow flower, and zinc oxide, among many others. All these ingredients have been scientifically proven to support the health of your skin. DermaPrime Plus contains several vitamins and minerals in its composition that are rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties to promote the quality of your skin. The formula of this supplement reduces inflammation and promotes collagen production to offer you a youthful appearance. This supplement can improve collagen production in your skin and provide your body with essential nutrients. DermaPrime Plus can also protect your skin against acne, eczema, wrinkles, and aging. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with DermaPrime Plus, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used DermaPrime Plus, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test DermaPrime Plus during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the DermaPrime Plus, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for DermaPrime Plus to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take 2 capsules daily, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. Also important for you to know, DermaPrime Plus has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy DermaPrime Plus, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that DermaPrime Plus really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.